Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this stackable drawer, some trees, faux snow, and plaques from Dollar Tree. I started by removing the drawer, taking a jumbo craft stick, cutting one end of it off, and then measuring out the bottom and cutting that down. I used Fisker shears to cut that, so this will need to fit inside the back side of that drawer. I then take these trees that I got from Dollar Tree. I take 3 different ones and hot glue them to that craft stick. And then I'm taking some Velcro, this is also from Dollar Tree, and apply it to the bottom of the craft stick and place it in what is the back of the drawer. And then I take this faux snow and pour some of it inside where the trees are. I did end up having to remove some because I used too much. Place the drawer back inside and just shake it until all of that snow is at the bottom. And then take this home decor wax and apply it to each of these oval plaques, which are both from Dollar Tree. I just brush it on and then use a baby wipe to blend it in, and I cover both of those entirely. Next, I'm taking a piece of floral foam, and this is the front of the drawer, which has the little handle on it, which is going to be the top of my display. I cut a piece large enough to cover the top of that. Add some hot glue around that handle and the front of the drawer and push down the floral foam. Next, I'm taking my little drawer and the back side of it, which is going to be the bottom of my display. I hot glue that to the top of one of the oval plaques. I add some more hot glue to the top of the foam and then take my other oval plaque and place that upside down. So you'll still be able to remove the drawer and you can change it out for different seasons. And then add in some different greenery inside the floral foam. That's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.